Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best health and wellness coach for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Electric Toothbrush. Our top pick for electric toothbrush for sensitive teeth, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is specifically designed to protect your gums as it cleans your teeth. This highly rated toothbrush is equipped with a pressure sensor that alerts you when you're pushing too hard. It also features a timer to ensure you brush your teeth for the recommended 2 minutes and offers 3 brushing modes. At number 4, Glow Science Brilliant Deluxe Teeth Whitening Kit. Although there are many at-home teeth whitening options, the Glow Brilliant Deluxe device is our top pick for the best teeth whitening product. This kit uses an alcohol-free formula to reduce sensitivity, hydrogen peroxide for science-backed whitening power, LED lights, and warm heat to remove stains in as little as 5 days. An innovative, award-winning teeth whitening device that combines professional elements of heat and blue LED light to give you fast, visible results at home, without sensitivity. Combines glow-warming heat plus light to deliver painless teeth whitening results in short, 8-minute applications.
At number 3, Waterpick Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. Water flossers are a relatively new addition to the dental hygiene list of must-haves, but they've already proven to be instrumental in preventing gingivitis and improving your oral health. According to the latest research, this Waterpick model, in particular, is one of our recommendations for best water flossers because its compact design makes it easy to hold and operate. It also has 3 water pressure settings and a reservoir big enough for about 45 seconds of flossing. In addition to the discounted price, right now Amazon offers a 20% off on-site coupon, bringing the price down to just $64. At number 2, Fitbit Sense. Fitbit may be known for its fitness trackers, but the Fitbit Sense is one of the best smartwatches you can buy to help manage your health and one of our top picks for sleep trackers. In addition to all its fitness applications, this watch is capable of monitoring your heart rate. The information gathered by your watch is then sent to the Fitbit app, which analyzes your heart rate and identifies irregularities that may signal health concerns. The watch can also do electrodermal activity (ETA) readings to provide insights into your stress levels. Finally, at number 1, iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. The easiest way to stay on top of clearing allergens out of your home is to have a pre-programmable, smart robot vacuum do the cleaning for you. The iRobot Roomba 694, our top pick for the best robot vacuum, has a high-efficiency filter which traps 99% of cat and dog dander and utilizes strong suction power and multi-surface rubber brushes to clear dirt, debris, and pet hair off your floors. It also creates a map of your home as it cleans, learning which areas get the highest foot traffic and need the most cleaning.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.